I'm Leo Walder for Kit Guru, here with Asus in the UK. We are supposed to be in Portugal for this event, but you know, that virus. The big reveal of the day is the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 15, a 15-inch laptop, as the name suggests, with a secondary display that measures at 14 inches. However, we don't know the exact resolution of that secondary display. The main display can either be 1080 or 4K, depending on how fast you want the panel to be. The processor is part of the big news here. It's an Intel 10th gen mobile 8-core processor. The graphics are the other part of the big reveal. RTX 2070 or 2080 Super comes to mobile. Pricing of this laptop either $3,000 or $4,000, depending on whether you're at the lower or higher end of the spec. Either clearly sounds like a grunty beast. The dual screen is interesting. It can either be aimed at gamers who want to stream, or it can be aimed at professionals who want to use Premiere, Photoshop and such like, and want somewhere to dock their toolbars. Asus has worked hard on the cooling, so that secondary display raises up to allow air to be drawn in from behind the screen. That sounds like a neat idea. It also helps the viewing angle of that screen. In addition, Asus has used thermal grizzly conductor naught on the CPU. That's liquid metal. They claim it drops temperatures 7 to 8 degrees Celsius. Roman De Bauer, who is one of the guys behind Thermal Grizzly, talked to us at CES about liquid metal on laptops. Indeed, it was a laptop very similar to this, and he obviously was cock-a-hoop about the idea of Asus using one of his products, because of course Asus is a phenomenally huge laptop manufacturer in the gaming world. So, the spec of this laptop looks interesting, pricing looks reasonable. The exact performance is obviously unknown because the 10th gen Intel processor, how does it compare to 9th gen? Completely unknown. RTX 2070, 2080 Super graphics, that's also unknown. We're told there won't be a Max P or Max Q skew of the graphics, they'll just be Super. So how they compare to the desktop Supers, we can only find out when we actually get to test the laptop. Now here's the interesting thing. I'm recording this in March, quite early March. The NDA on news is currently expected to lift on the 2nd of April, which is some weeks out, and then reviews should be happening also in April. But the actual launch on sale is going to be sometime in July. We don't yet know whether Computex will happen on schedule or not, because of, you know, the bug. And in addition to that, production of laptops and all other products that come out of mainland China are deeply troubled at the moment. So whether this will actually launch on schedule, we have to hope. We don't know. But I've never heard of a laptop, or indeed any other IT product, that has such an enormous gulf between news, review and then launch. This is new territory for us. Nonetheless, this laptop looks interesting. In addition to the Zephyrus Duo 15, we have two other laptops here which both have Intel 10th gen processors. We have the ROG Strix G17, obviously that's a big boy, 17.3 inch, and that also has RTX 2070 Super graphics. The third laptop is the ROG Strix G15, 15.6 inch, just as the name suggests. That's got a fast 240 Hertz, 3 millisecond panel. Again, 10th gen i7 processor in that, RTX 2070 Super. Asus has showed us a couple of laptops today with 10th gen processors from Intel, but the main event is without a shadow of a doubt the ROG Duo Zephyrus. This is the laptop we're keenest to get our hands on for review. As to when we get a sample, that's one thing. When you can get your hands on it, that may be a completely different story. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button, subscribe, head to Kit Guru, watch more videos, and obviously buy some merch. I'm Leo Waldock, and this is Kit Guru at Asus.